Casa Umbral, a tranquil modern retreat designed by Taller Estilo Arquitectura in Mérida, Mexico. The word umbral means threshold, the first step into something new, and that's exactly what this house represents. An invitation to leave the chaos of the outside world behind and enter a place designed for serenity, light, and sensory experience. Built on a long and narrow lot of just 7.5 meters wide and 41.5 meters deep, Casa Umbral is a compact two-level residence that feels far larger than its footprint suggests. The home's layout is simple yet deliberate, guiding you through a spatial journey where every transition, from public to private, light to shadow, feels intentional and poetic. The house is composed of two main volumes. At the front lies the social area, home to the living room, dining space, and kitchen. At the rear, a more private zone houses two bedrooms with walk-in closets and bathrooms. These two sections are connected by a contemporary portico, a covered passage that organizes the spaces and defines the home's rhythmic flow. As you enter, the first courtyard greets you with the soft sound of water. This small oasis marks a symbolic threshold, an architectural pause between the street and the sanctuary within. Like crossing the moat of an ancient fortress, the shallow water invites reflection while offering a sense of peace and protection. Beyond the water feature, a transparent door reveals the heart of the home. Here, open spaces filled with natural light blur the line between interior and exterior. Double-height ceilings in the social areas enhance the sense of freedom and openness, while the single-height private spaces bring warmth and intimacy, creating a perfect balance between grand and personal. The design's visual strength lies in its simplicity. Exposed concrete walls, left with their raw texture from wooden formwork, define the entrance and the inner facade. These solid walls act as both shield and frame, protecting the home while emphasizing the beauty of the light and nature that fill its interior. Inside, textured plaster surfaces add a tactile richness that evolves with time. As sunlight moves through the house, it creates changing shadows and highlights that bring life to every wall and ceiling. Architectural details like columns, beams, and pergolas interact beautifully with the light, giving each space a sense of rhythm and movement throughout the day. Casa Umbral is more than just a residence. It's an architectural experience deeply rooted in the spirit of Yucatán. Through thoughtful use of light, texture, and proportion, it captures the essence of modern living in harmony with nature. This is not just a place to live. It's a place to pause, breathe, and reconnect with the beauty of simplicity.